Hi everyone, welcome back to another vlog. Hope you all are doing well. In today's video, sharing with you all an interesting 4-bedroom detached property. This is Stratford from Redrow Homes. So stay tuned and watch this video till the end, it could be useful to you. This is located in Oakfields, Warrington, near Manchester. Now going with the floor plans, in the ground floor you have the living room, kitchen with dining space, washroom, and on the first floor you have 4 bedrooms with the master bedroom having the ensuite and a common family bathroom. Now as you enter the house you'll find a lengthy hall in front of you with various partitions towards your living, kitchen and upstairs. So first let's explore the living room. Beautiful living room with good style and space. You can easily plan 2 to 3 sofa sets and a TV set, and there's plenty of room space to walk around. Towards the front end you get these extended bay windows, so plenty of natural light falling in this living room. Nowadays, if you observe in most of the new builds, you can see these kind of extended bay windows. It's a quite good feature, and your living room looks quite stylish with these long glasses and plenty of light falls in, so there's really good ventilation. Overall, a decent living room with good space. So now let's move to the kitchen and dining, which are coming at the back. Amazing kitchen space, well designed. Towards one side you have the kitchen space, and towards the other side you can plan your dining space. Towards kitchen you have the worktop spread out on 2 different sides with your gas hob and all the cabinets. The space is really good, I liked. And towards the other corner they gave the space for the fridge, freezer and double oven. This is integrated and this comes along with the property. And you have this double French door access towards the garden, and obviously you'll be getting a decent garden with fence around it. But if you look at this kitchen, there's no window provided. Let me know in the comment section whether you would like to have an additional window apart from these French doors. Since it's a square shaped kitchen, there's plenty of space on all the 4 sides, and you also get some additional storage space, which is a good feature. And I also like the worktop given in this center. It's quite useful actually if you have one like this. And in the kitchen towards the other side you also have the small utility space wherein they plan the washing machine and dryer. So this is all about the kitchen. Now just as you come out of the kitchen, towards your right side you'll have the small storage space. You can plan something in this storage space. Now let's check out the washroom, which is coming here in the ground floor. So as you enter the house, this will be towards your left side in the front. It's a decent washroom. You have the water closet, sink, and there's a small window on the top. They also gave the mains of the house in this washroom here. We covered the rooms in the ground floor. Now moving towards the first floor. On the first floor we have 4 bedrooms with the master bedroom having the ensuite and a common family bathroom. So first exploring the master bedroom of the house. So this is the master bedroom of the house. It's a double bedroom. You can easily plan a king size bed or a double bed, and there's plenty of room space to walk around. You have these extended bay windows in this master bedroom, so plenty of natural light falling in this room. You can plan your wardrobes like this in this bedroom, but if you don't plan the wardrobes, the room looks much bigger. Now let's check out the attached bath. So this is the attached bathroom. You have the water closet, sink, there's a walk-in shower, and you also get a nice window. So plenty of light and very good ventilation. Overall, a decent bedroom with good style and space. Now let's check out other rooms in this property. So just beside this master bedroom, you have the second bedroom of the house. Now this is a single bedroom. You can plan a small cot like this, and there's enough room space to walk around. You also get a nice window towards one side, so plenty of light falling in this room. This can be used as a kids room or office room, anything you want to. Now just as you come out of the bedroom, towards your right side you have another small storage space, and they have provided the water heater and boiler in the space. And just opposite to this you have the family bathroom. The space looks quite okay in this bathroom. You have the bathtub, water closet, sink, and they gave a nice window. So the ventilation is really good. Now moving towards the third bedroom of the house. This is a double bedroom. You can easily plan a double bed like this, and there's really good room space to walk around. You're getting nice window towards one side, so plenty of natural light falling in this room. And they've also planned the wardrobes towards this side. Again, it's totally up to you. If you want to go for the wardrobes, you can. Otherwise, you'll get some extra space in the room. So in this property you have 2 double bedrooms and 2 single rooms. Now moving towards the fourth bedroom of the house. This is again a single bedroom. You can plan a small cot like this, and there's enough room space to walk around. You get a big window even in this room, so plenty of natural light falling here. You can plan this as a kids room or a gaming room, workspace, anything you want to. We covered all the rooms in this property. Overall, a decent property with good style and comfort. I hope you liked watching my today's video. Do give me your suggestions and feedback in the comment section. I would love to hear from you. Also, if you're watching my channel for the first time and if you haven't subscribed yet, make sure to hit that subscribe button and feel free to activate the bell icon at the bottom so that you won't miss out on my future uploads. Stay safe, stay connected. See you in another vlog.